In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery on your Ford F-150, which is located on the passenger side of the engine bay under the hood. We'll remove the negative terminal using an 8mm. Just loosen that up. Give the terminal a wiggle. We'll pop that off and set it to the side. We can remove the positive terminal with an 8mm. We'll just loosen that up. Give the terminal a little wiggle. We can remove the battery terminal with an 8mm. Now we can remove the battery. We can install our battery tie-down. We'll slide that down. There's two dimples on the outside of the case. You just line that up with the dimples and line up the bolt hole. Start that in by hand, and we can snug it down. We can install our positive terminal. Give that a wiggle until it's set all the way down, and we can tighten down our 8mm. This doesn't need to be too tight, just tight enough so the terminal doesn't move. We can install our negative terminal. We can snug that down with an 8mm. This doesn't need to be too tight, just enough that it won't move.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.